I want to ask him.
Should I buy you something?
Yes. Okay, perfect. So now
Time
Hello,
starts
before I
now.
enter my patient room, I'll make sure that the scene is safe for me to enter. Okay, hello.
Hi.
Can I just close the curtain by pulling on the... Shall I just close the curtain to provide me privacy? So I'll make sure that I will wash my hands following the 7-step palm to palm over the dorsal fingers, interlace fingers into mouth. Rotation rubbing of the thumb, rotation rubbing of the fingertips onto the palm, rotation rubbing of the wrist and left and right for 30 seconds. I'll go back to my patient. Hello, my name is Divya. I'm the nurse
Hello,
looking
Divya.
after you. What is your full name?
I am Fiona Higginson.
Alright, Fiona, how would you like me to call you?
Call me Fee.
Fee, okay. What's your date of birth? May I just check it with your wristband?
Yes, please.
Alright, what's your date of birth?
December 25, 1975.
Alright, your MRI number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, are you allergic to anything,
Sorry, I don't
Fee?
have MRN number. I'm not hospitalized. I'm on OPD.
Still, you will have a hospital number when you are in the hospital.
But I'm not wearing any ID.
Where is it written OPD setting?
In here.
This is
Continue.
I don't think so. In
Continue.
hospital, you will have
Okay, I have my ID.
Okay. No, I am also in doubt.
Okay, continue.
Alright, so, okay. I got interrupted. I'll kill you. What I have supposed. Okay.
I am
Are you
very
allergic to
patient.
anything, Fee?
Yes, I am.
What? To what?
Strawberries.
Alright, so what do you get when you take strawberry?
Rashes.
Alright, so we will just make sure that it will be recorded in your care plan so that you will not be given anything regarding the strawberry.
Thank you, Divya.
Alright, so are you happy at the moment? Can I
I
just
am
go?
very happy,
I'm
comfortable. Thank you.
okay, I'm here to do a peak flow measurement on you. Have you got any history of asthma or difficulty in breathing?
No, yeah, I have difficulty breathing, but I don't know whether I have asthma.
Okay, that's what the doctor had advised to do a peak flow measurement on you. That's to check your lung capacity. Is that alright?
Thank you, Divya.
Have you had this measurements before?
No, this is the first time I'm hearing it.
Alright, so I'll just make sure that I'll get the equipment. Alright, and we'll
Thank
do
you.
it. Is that okay?
Take your time, dear.
Alright, so I'll make sure that I wash my hand again. Palm to palm over the dorsal fingers, interlace fingers, interlock, rotation rubbing of the thumb, rotation rubbing of the fingertips onto the palm, rotation rubbing of the wrist. Allow me to try for 30 seconds. Then examine and I think that this rolling socially clean with soap and water for the past 24 hours.
Yes, Divya.
If then I will just again clean it with the cleaner white which is expiring on 2025 from farthest to nearest in the next white motion and on the side, and from farthest to nearest in the next white motion and on the side. I will also take my hand sanitizing gel which is expiring on 2022. After to clean and take it with me, I will discard in the clinical waste bin.
Okay, take your time. You have lots of time. Okay?
I
Slowly.
will now take the peak flow meter. Examine my asthma which is a single patient use.
Yes, it's not open yet.
Alright, so the brand new one, make sure this is for single patient and will be used within a year. And this is a disposable mouthpiece.
Yep.
And I'm happy to go back to my patient before that I'll wash my hands, palm to palm over the dorsal fingers, interlace fingers, interlock, rotation rubbing of the thumb, rotation rubbing of the fingers onto the finger, palm, rotation rubbing of the wrist. I'll try for 30 seconds. I'll go back to my patient. Hello.
Hi, Divya.
Hello, Fee. I'm back again with your peak flow measurement. To do your peak flow measurement, you got to either sit upright or stand up when you do the procedure. Is that
Can
alright?
I stand?
Yeah, of course you can.
Okay, I will
You
try.
should be doing that in
Okay.
either standing or sitting upright.
Okay, I'll
So you
stand.
shouldn't be bending your neck when we do the procedure to make sure that you get the effective result of what we do. Is that alright?
Yes, got it.
Alright. So I've got a peak flow meter here.
Okay, so now
So this is a peak flow meter. You should make sure that the gauge is always at the 0 level before we start, and you've got to hold it horizontally and without impeding the flow of the gauge. Is that alright?
Yeah.
And this is a disposable mouthpiece. I'll go to attach in here. You take a deep breath in.
Yeah.
I'll discard this one to the clinic.
Okay, so take deep breath in
Yep.
and then hold it. Attach your mouth onto the mouthpiece. Grasp it with your teeth and seal with your lips. And you exhale through a short, sharp huff as forcefully as you can. Is that alright?
Yeah,
Okay, so did you understand what I was telling?
I did.
Do you want me to repeat it again?
No, I'm just wondering how long will it take for us to do this?
I'm going to take the medication at eye level now. I'm checking my oral vitamins. 3 units.
Alright. So we usually do this for 3 times. If your measurement doesn't exceed for more than 4,
Just
Lovely.
make sure that there is no
in each of the reading,
Mm-hmm.
and
goes for my patient.
see if something there is interest, I will.
I got the correct
Alright,
dose.
so-
I place the medication in the tray. Without
Okay, you got to do it 3 times. So we will see whether if there is any no variation in your result, then that's it. I'll take the maximum of that. But if you have got variation of more than 40 liters per minute in one reading, then you got to repeat it for 2 more times. Is that
Lovely
alright?
job, Divya.
Alright, so take a deep breath in, attach your mouth onto the mouthpiece, then exhale through a short, sharp huff as forcefully as you can. Examiner, may I know what's the reading now?
Yeah.
So I'll make sure that I will chart it, I will record it at my eye level. It is 370.
Yeah.
Okay, so first week, examiner given me wrong details. It's 350 here.
370.
This is 370. First reading is 370. Okay. Making sure that the gauge returns back to 0. Can you just do the same again?
Okay.
Take a deep breath in. Attach your mouth onto the mouthpiece. Seal it with your lips and exhale through a short, sharp huff as forcefully as you can. Alright. Examiner, may I just have the reading again? I will read it again at my eye level. 9390. Making sure that the gauge returns back to 0.
Yep.
Hold it horizontally without impeding the meter movement. Can you just do a short, sharp huff? Inspire. Alright, immediately attach your mouth onto the mouthpiece. Seal it with your lips and exhale through a short, sharp huff as forcefully as you can. Alright, what's the reading, examiner?
Okay, yeah, I can see. I'm inspecting your skin. There is no redness information or anything, so I'm happy to use this side.
So,
Examiner, okay, and so I'm only cleaning that side now. Okay. Before that, as I touch my patient, I'll be telling my hands using the alcohol hand gel, following the 7 steps.
I'm sorry about that. You got to repeat it 2 more times because one of your reading has gone beyond 40 liters per minute. Isn't
Now,
so?
I need to disinfect my patient's skin using the alcohol.
You want me to do another time, Divya?
Yeah, for 2 more times.
Okay.
Can you repeat it again? The same way. Inspire and then hold immediately onto the mouthpiece. Then exhale through a short, sharp huff as forcefully as you can.
Okay,
what's the reading again?
30 seconds. Assuming the 30 seconds is over, I'm ready to give
Okay.
injection.
Why are you increasing every time?
Subcutaneous insulin.
390.
Subcutaneous injection.
And again, making sure that it goes back to 0. Can you do it the same way? And assuming that it is done, examiner, may I have the reading?
Over 30 seconds, I'll be giving it. Okay.
Under it.
That's it. So this is a shot.
340. So I've got 410 as your highest reading. So I'll take that as the final reading and make sure that I'll discard the mouthpiece onto the clinical waste bin. I'll clean the peak flow meter according to the trust policy and leave it with the patient because it's a single patient and should be used within less than an year.
Okay.
I will then make my patient and wash my hands for like the 7-step palm to palm over the dorsal fingers, interlace fingers in the long rotation, rubbing of thumb, rotation, rubbing of fingertips onto the palm, rotation, wrist, allow dry for 30 seconds. I'll make sure that my patient is comfortable. So Peter, are you alright at the moment?
Yes.
Okay, so as I took 410 as your highest
Peter
rate.
and Fee.
Sorry.
Yep.
So Fee, I will just make sure that I will write your full name. What's your full name again?
Fee, Fiona.
Fiona Higginson, and your date of birth is?
December 25, 1975.
Alright, so I will 410. Your maximum reading which I have got is
I have a different data, yeah? I have different data.
alright,
I
your
am
height
55
and
years old and then I am 170 centimeters.
okay. Each one, so I need the height, weight, weight here.
And make sure you check your blood
55 and
sugar.
170. So according to your,
I'll be calling you to normal, sir. Will that be okay? Alright.
where is 117 here?
Assume 175. No. 177, right? So assume 175.
After I did, if you feel any sort of problem, you can contact me. I'll leave my number and your GP number, okay? And if it is out of working hours, if any emergency, you can count that line. You have your right. Okay, so and please try to eat food.
Maybe
Okay.
it's 588 or something.
Make sure that
So your maximum peak flow I've got is 410.
Right? So if you don't
Mhm.
have any further questions, can I continue? with
1
the
minute
whole
40
presentation?
seconds.
Alright,
But I've got, you should have at least 589 as your normal peak flow. So I'll escalate it to your doctor, don't worry. He will make the treatment plans according to you.
Okay.
Alright? So, are you comfortable?
Yes, I am.
Oh, I'll make sure that I'll make sure that anyway you are here around, so I'll have a look on you. I'll inform your doctor about your reading, and he will come and talk to you. Is that all right?
Yeah.
All right. Then I will open the door, make the patient to sit back onto my OPD room. I'll wash my hands, palm to palm over the dorsum, fingers interlace, fingers interlock, rotation of your thumb, rotation of the fingertips. Rotation of your wrist, allow dry for 30 seconds, and I'll also make sure the equipment is clean and safe for next use. And I'll end my station
Where will you put this?
with the patient. I already said. And examiner, I have to say that if suppose in real scenario the patient have got a peak flow meter measurement before, then I'll compare the highest with the present one.
No, she didn't. You asked that, don't worry. You still have 40 seconds. Do you want to reflect on something?
Nothing.
Something you want to do? Okay, you have a female patient right here, Fiona Higginson.
He I mentioned.
No, this is a female, right?
Mm.
And then you did the documentation, yes?
Yeah.
You measured the maximum peak flow, yep.
Mhm.
So what is the the normal peak flow for this female patient?
Oh, I know.
The normal patient, expected normal value for the female patient. Tell it now, 10 seconds.
Yeah, I
Tell
did
it
not
more.
notice until now. Okay, sorry, examiner. I've actually done a wrong thing. I've checked for male. So maximum peak flow measurement for my lady is
It's
Yeah.
okay.
To be very honest.
That's why I wanted to change it. Because,
Yeah.
oh my god. So that's it guys. Peak flow is done. Very well said.